Assalamualaikum, my name is Keisha Rela Putri. I'm from 9A, so this time I will tell you about Timun Mas. A long time ago, there was a beautiful girl named Timun Mas. She was born from a magical tree with a king named Buto Ijo. In their 30, Buto Ijo would take her back when she was 17 years old. Timun Mas' parents then broke the promise and asked her to run. Buto Ijo was so angry that he chased after Timun Mas. However, Timun Mas fight back by spreading the salt, shrimp paste, and also cucumber seeds. The cucumber seeds turned into a forest. The salt turned into a sea, and the shrimp paste turned into ocean.